So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege of introducing to you this beautiful 2009 BMW 135i M Sport. And this car comes with just an excellent example of these 135i's, and nicely optioned, of course, with that M Sport package as the premium sound package as well as the premium luxury package. So this is just a loaded example of these 135i's. It is powered by the 300 horsepower twin-turbo 3-liter inline-6 cylinder engine, backed by the 6-speed manual, just making a very sporty driving experience in this car, and just finished in its factory space gray metallic exterior paint that shines extremely well. Very few defects on this car at all. Those sport wheels, and inside you'll find a very well kept and preserved coral red Boston leather interior, and that space gray over red leather interior is just a stunning color combination, and one you don't find very often on these BMW 135i's, especially with the M Sport package. And not only is this a just beautiful example of these 135i's, it's a great driving example as well. So we'll go grab the other cameras and take it for a test drive. Love that color combo.
Yeah. Gotta love that key too.
Yeah, not really a key, but you just plug it into the dash and
plug and play.
So yeah, now we're gonna go for a test drive in that stunning 2009 BMW 135i M Sport. And that twin turbo 3-liter inline 6. I mean, it fires right up, just like you'd expect from a well-maintained BMW.
Yeah.
Or late model performance car.
You know, it has a really good sound too.
It does.
For a stock 6-cylinder.
It's not overly loud or obnoxious, just reminds you that it's back there and you're actually in like a sports luxury car.
Turn the fan down a little bit. So your air is ice cold. Nice.
It is. Currently on my sides, and it's dual climate. I got mine set at 61, Dad's at 69. 67.
Which, well, on a day like today, we'll be lucky if they get down to 67. We'll be lucky if it gets to 75. It's a beautiful day.
It is. But yeah, this is just such a great example of these BMWs, these 135i's, and just this color combo. You don't see it very often at all. The space gray metallic with the coral red leather. Coral red Boston leather was the official. But in this car, I mean, it is just very nicely loaded. I mean, you have the M Sport package, you have the premium luxury package, and the premium sound package. So just on top of being a luxury BMW, I mean, it's just loaded. I mean, with options, I mean, of course, power steering, power brakes. I mean, you got hands-free on the steering wheel, cruise control, and FM, CD. Yeah, I think satellite
dual
radio.
Heated seats.
But these 135i's are just a nice, I mean, smaller than the 3 Series, not much lighter than the 3 Series, but I mean, just making it more compact with like the same drivetrain as the 335. I mean, this is just a ball to drive, especially backed by the 6-speed manual.
Yeah, it's like a little go-kart on steroids.
Yeah, a little bit, kind of like the baby M car.
Yeah,
it's fun. I mean, and it's nice to get that M Sport package. So you got some nice reminders. You got the M Sport steering wheel, shift knob, M on the sills. I mean, the sport wheels. I mean, it looks like a proper sports car.
It does have the power moonroof or sunroof. I'm not sure.
And this car is extremely quiet. I mean,
it is.
Yeah.
And the cabin,
there's no noise whatsoever. You just hear yourself.
Very little road noise.
Yeah, absolutely. And the ride's really nice. It rides like a much larger car. I mean, it rides like a luxury car should.
Yeah.
And then the drivetrain's real smooth. Going through the gears is real smooth.
Actually, everything's done just what is expected of it.
Yeah. Yeah. It does everything that it should.
All the options work.
And this car's just in phenomenal condition, even for the mileage and age. I mean, if I were to walk up in this car, I would not expect it to have 56,000 miles. I would think it's more like a 20 to 25,000 mile example.
Yeah, I mean, other than the kind of nicks in the PPF on the outside of the car, there's not much flaws.
Which, if those bother you, they're real minor. But I mean, take it off. Have a detail company put a new front.
Yeah,
clear
on it, or
broad,
just
yeah.
leave it off.
Exactly. And you'll have a clean front exterior again. I mean, it's clean now. But
Yeah.
just absent of defects.
Yeah.
So, it handles the roundabout well. Actually, this car handles extremely well. We'll get it down. Let that 3-liter breathe a little bit. 60.
It'll put you back in the seats.
For sure. And that was like barely taxing the motor. Actually, I think she wanted to spin tire a little bit going into second. The traction control fight me a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, it's a ball to drive. I mean, you get that nice symphony from the twin turbo Inline-6. I mean, great exhaust note, and it definitely sets you back. It's surprising because you're just going down the road. I mean, it just kind of feels like your average luxury car. I mean, it's got great street manners. You would never guess that I think it has a sub 5 seconds 0 to 60. So it's a
Great little car. It's
It
a
is.
fun little car.
So if you're looking for something that just to kind of cross-country tour in, or just an awesome weekend driver, I mean, this car is just a great example of these 135i's. Make you an awesome summer daily driver, or just something to take out on the weekends, take to a local Cars and Coffee or cruising. Guys are going to love this color combo. I mean, I do. And just the fact that it's an M Sport with a 6-speed, I mean, what's there not to love?
Right.
It's a proper BMW. So.
And you know it's the M series car, so
Yeah, it's a
That
great
means
performing
something.
little thing. Absolutely. So definitely stay tuned for that walk-around inspection. There really aren't that many flaws like we just mentioned earlier. Most of the defects are just in that front PPF, and so not really in the car at all. So you're definitely going to take a look at that. It's pretty much just a highlight reel of this great BMW, so definitely stay tuned. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll move on to the walk-around inspection portion of the test drive video. And this really won't take long. Like we said earlier, this car has been extremely well maintained, and actually most of the defects are stuck in the PPF. So even the paint's been nicely protected, but coming into the driver's side windshield's nice and clear. You might have a couple nitpicky, really tiny stone chips in the glass. The paint around your window is in excellent condition. Coming down to your driver's side front fender. The fender itself is nice and straight. Actually, the paint throughout shines very well. It's definitely been very well cared for. Kind of see the line in the PPF there. It still retains its factory PPF, or probably dealer installed PPF. And your driver's side front left wheel is in very good condition. No signs of rash or any major defects.
I think that tire's dated 17.
Coming across the driver's side of the hood throughout is nice and straight. No noticeable dings or dents. Actually, in the paint, there's no scratches to note in the driver's side. Your front left headlight is nice and clear. You do have some chips in the PPF and maybe some like bug etching, but luckily that's all been captured in the PPF. Both grills are in excellent condition. They both shine nice and bright. Come across your passenger side headlight does have a couple of chips, but the rest of the lens is nice and clear. The passenger side of the hood is nice and clean. No noticeable defects to note there. Coming into the passenger side front fender, the fender is nice and straight. Again, really not seeing any defects to note. Passenger side front wheel, very comparable to the driver's side front.
You do have PPF. There's a line here down.
That protects the rockers.
So this is all in PPF.
The passenger side of the windshield, comparable to the driver's side, you might have a couple of note-picky, real tiny stone chips. For the most part, it's nice and clean and clear. Passenger side mirror, again, has that nice PPF on it, but no defects to note. Passenger side door is nice and straight. Again, really just not seeing anything, any
So
defects.
all this is in your PPF,
Yeah.
into the plastic protection.
And coming in, you'll find a very well kept and preserved interior. Mainly just going to be a highlight reel of that gorgeous coral red Boston leather interior.
And your passenger side door panel is in excellent condition. Very sparingly used. Your door jamb is nice and clean. Even your nice M1 or M scuff plate, it's got a little scratch there, but it's in very good condition. Your carpet throughout is in very good condition. not sun faded at all. The red leather, which really makes this interior stand out, in very good condition. Got some very, very light wear on that bolster on the passenger seat. Passenger side of the console's in very good condition. Same with the dash. Nice and straight. No cracks. Your headliner, sun visors are in very good condition. Back of your front seat, very good condition. Rear carpet and the rear seat is in excellent condition. And the rear portion of the seats hardly look like they've ever been used. And the rear quarter panels are in excellent condition.
Coming back outside, you'll see that the passenger side of the roof's in very good condition. You have one little ding. I don't know if it'll show up. Very, very slight. Paintless dent removal. You can actually take that right out. But the rest of the roof is nice and straight and clean. Same with your pillar. Come down to your passenger side glass. Your glass is nice and clear. It's all your original BMW glass. Your passenger side rear wheel comparable to the front too. Just excellent condition. Passenger side rear quarter is nice and straight. Again, no real defects to note. Your right rear tail light's nice and clear. Actually, across your bumpers in very good condition. You might have, there's a little nick here and some scratching in the PPF just below the trunk opening. And there might be a real nitpicky inch-long scratch down here. But very, very light. Probably could even buff out. But for the most part, the bumper is very straight and clean. Across the trunk lid is nice and clean. Same with your rear glass. No real defects or issues to note there. And coming into the trunk compartment.
Very sparingly used. The carpet's in very good condition. I mean, you might have just a couple real minor scuffs. It kind of talks about how little this trunk compartment's been used. You even have your little toolkit here. And the factory BMW owner's manual.
Coming into the driver's side quarter and the driver's side of the rear bumper. Again, nothing. I mean, there's just a lack of stone chips even.
A nice thing about that PPF.
Yeah.
Your BMW calipers.
You do have, you catch in the right light, there is about a 3-inch scratch here just behind the wheel.
Doubt that's gonna show up.
Yeah, it's very faint. Probably even buff it out, just point it out just in case. Driver's side glass is all nice and clear. Again, all original BMW glass. The driver's side of the roof is nice and straight and clean. Driver's side mirror is in very good condition. I have some chips in the PPF, but that's really about it. Not seeing any dents, dings, or major scratches in the driver's side door. I mean, they just took great care getting in and out of the car and where they parked it.
Coming into the driver's side portion, of course, the bottom of the driver's door nice and clean, just like the passenger. The interior is very comparable on this side and presents in excellent condition. I mean, all your buttons are nice and crisp, no wear there. Nice clean door jamb and door opening. Your driver's side, red leather seats in very good condition. I mean, there is just a hint of age. It's more so on the passenger side. But your carpet throughout again is in excellent condition. The rest of your dash, the driver's side dash, excellent condition. All your buttons nice and clean. Steering wheel showing very little to no age. Same with the buttons. You do have a little bit of age right there. The rest of your headliner in very good condition. Same with back of the driver's seat, carpet behind the driver's seat, and driver's portion of the red leather. And that right there is just from the sun. It's not a fade.
And then coming under the hood, you'll find a very factory presenting and unmolested engine compartment showcasing that great twin-turbo 3-liter inline-6 power plant. So we'll go ahead and get into the BMW, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
Inline 6-cylinder fires right up. Sounds very smooth. No funny noises. Now we'll show you some lights working. So the daytime running lights are on. There's your headlights, bright lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal. All your forward lights work just as they should. You got your running lights, brake lights, driver side turn signal, passenger side turn signal, and your reverse lights. All your rear lights work as they should.
So if you're in the market for just a beautiful example of these BMW 135i M Sports, that's just in a very hard to find color combo with that space gray metallic over the red leather interior that runs and drives and presents like a BMW should, you're going to take a very close look at this beautiful BMW 135i Rock Solid Motorsports.